How to turn on or turn off theater mode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on modes and routines. Then in the list here, tap on theater. Now, if theater does not show, then you can scroll down and tap on add mode to add in theater mode. Now tap on theater, then tap on start. And here's how long do you want theater to stay on. So we can set the default 2 hours or 3 hours or 2 hours and minutes. So here I'll turn on for 2 hours and 30 minutes and then tap on next. Here you can choose to turn on do not disturb. If you do so, then simply select that and then choose calls and messages. So you can set calls and messages, add in the contacts that can call you and send you text messages during theater mode. And by default, it is none, and calls are not allowed, and messages are not allowed. And so tap on done, and then tap on next. Here you can choose what to do in theater mode. You can set your phone to dark mode. So tap on done. So when dark mode is turned on, it will turn on when you start theater mode. Sound mode and volume, so tap on that, and then you can customize sound mode. Ringtone by default set to 0, notifications set to 0, system set to 0. So if you want to allow notifications, you can turn it on, sound, and then change notifications. By default, it is set to mute, or you can set to vibrate. So you can set to vibrate so that you know someone's calling you, but it won't play any sound. When tap on done. Here you can choose always on display, so you can turn it on. The moment is set to off. And here you can choose always on display to on or off. And then tap on done. Or you can simply just deselect that and then tap on done. Okay, so once it is set up, you can simply tap on the turn on button. And you can see as soon as I tap on turn on button, certain conditions get triggered, such as dark mode and sound mode and volume set to vibrate. Here we can switch it off or turn on. If you swipe down, you can see at the top here, it shows the movie icon. So we are now in theater mode. So do not disturb, turn on by settings, theater mode. And if you want to quickly turn off theater, you can swipe down, then tap on this settings. So it doesn't allow me to, so tap on that. And then go down and then tap on theater and switch it off. And tap on the back key, still on, so you can go into settings, go down and tap on modes and routines, then tap on theater, tap on turn off. So you have to turn it off from here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.